Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget-friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and in today's video, what I'll be doing, I'll be going through each room and showing you my touches of Easter. So it'll be a very short video. All I'm going to do is show you how I sprinkled Easter around my home. I'll see you at the end. In today's video, I'm going to show you touches of Easter. Now, some of the video items you have seen before, but some of them you haven't, and I'm just going to give you a preview of my touches of Easter. The first item I'm going to show you is this beautiful, beautiful mirror that I picked up again at that Value City going out of business sale. I'm gonna take you in so you can see this beauty. This mirror, I've seen it online for $700. I paid $11 whole for it. Yes, you heard me correctly. $11 is what I paid for this beautiful mirror. My touches of Easter here in this pattern room. It's just a little tray here with, of course, the Easter bunny and the little chicks. The tiles are also of an Easter bunny. So that is my touches of Easter here in the bathroom. Here in the dining room, I'll take you in and show you just the little hints of Easter. These were just added. They were also from that Value City going out of business sale. The touches of Easter here on the table is the little bunnies. I have the beautiful table runner with the little bunnies on it also. So here in the dining room, are my touches of Easter. Here in the living room, I only have one little vignette for Easter, and I have the little white bunny here. I also have one of the beautiful hurricane candle holders that I picked up from that Value City sale. Here in the foyer, the touch of Easter, I have a little bunny here with my pink candle. Just a touch On the fireplace, I have went in and added a couple of the little bunnies here with the little gold baby. Over here, you'll see another one in complete gold. And in the middle, you'll see a golden bunny. So on the fireplace, this is my small touch of Easter. Here on the coffee table, on the bottom, I have the little chicks and an egg garland. On the top, I have a chick and a flower arrangement with my books. But this is the touch of Easter here on this table. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take you outdoors and show you the little touches of Easter that I have on the outdoor front porch. Here on the dining table, here in the kitchenette, is another touch of Easter. I haven't shown you all this, but all I'm doing is going over and showing you the preview of my touches of Easter. Sunday, we will be celebrating Easter. So I wanted to come back in and show you little touches that you can make within your home for Easter. Over here on the sofa table, I have the tulips and the little flocked bunny. Over here, I've shown you the full video of the touches. Here, the wreath on my door for Easter. I also have the little stacked eggs here and the little Easter bunny in the linen. I've added the bunny ears here in my larger vase. So this is also the touches of Easter to my outdoor area.